my dear students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine and fit. Okay, in these sessions we are going to learn about addition. In previous class also we have learnt about the addition of 4-digit numerals, isn't it? And so properties of additions. In these sessions we are continuing with the new topics. Okay, so the first of all, the oral addition. What is the oral addition? So if we have if all the addends are in the same grouping, that is tens, hundreds and thousands, that is, I'll give you example for understanding this one. Okay, here we have an example 40 plus 50. Okay, so you can see in blue color I have marked there 0 0. How many zeros are there in a number 110? So you have to count that in every number how many zeros are there. So it is a tens. Okay, so write down 0 one time. How many times zeros are there? One time. Write down one time 0 and you should add the numbers. Then which numbers are there? First 44 is there and in 55. So you have to add that digits. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 you have to write there. 40 plus 50, 90. Like this orally without arranging in a column for a given numerals, you have to add, children. Okay, shall we see the next example? 200 plus 400 plus 300. So first you have to, what you have to do? How many zeros are there? 2 zeros in every numeral. Yes or no? So write down 2 zeros and you have to add 2 plus 4 plus 3. Okay, so what will be there? Answer, yes, 9. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 3, 9. So 900. First you have to look at about zeros. Okay, write down that zeros. Tens there, 1 0 will come. Hundreds there, 2 zeros will come. Thousands there, 3 zeros will come. Okay, first write down and then you can add numbers and write there. Okay, children. So next we have thousands place. So 3000 plus 1000 plus 5000. 3 zeros should come there. Okay, first then add 3 plus 1 plus 5. 5 is missing there. Okay, you have to look at there. 5 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 5. What? 9. Sorry. Oh yes, 9. 9000. Finally we get answer 9000. 3000 plus 1000, 4000. 4000 plus 5000, 9000. Okay, these type of addition we are calling as a oral addition, children. Okay, a next concept is word problems about addition. What is a word problems, children? So here next example 3000 plus 1000 plus 5000. Okay, how many in thousands place? How many zeros we have in thousands? 3 zeros. So first write down 3 zeros and 3 plus 1 plus 5 equal to what? 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 5 9. Okay, so what will be the answer, children? 9000. So this is the way to add orally, that is without arranging the given numerals in a column. So we have to, by looking only we can add orally. Okay, so next concept is word problems. So what is a word problems? So the question will be in the form of word or a sentence, children. Okay, shall we start? If you see the example you can understand. So there are 2468 boys and 2321 girls studying in a school. Find the total number of students in the school. How many total numbers students have in the school? So that we have to count. If total, you can observe that if total number comes in a sentence, you have to add, children. Okay, first arrange the given number of boys and girls in the places. Okay, according to their places. First you have to take a sentence, you have to answer, children. Okay, so number of boys in a school. How many boys are there? 2468. First you have to arrange in a column according to their places. And next the number of girls in a school. How many girls are there? 2321 girls. So start to add. Okay, so total number of students that we are going to find out that. Okay, write down lastly and then start to add. 8 plus 1 is 8 plus 1. So now children, total number of students. Okay, so you have to write at last, that is only we are going to find out that. So 8, now start to add from ones place digits. We have 8 and 1 there. 8 plus 1 is what? 9. Okay, and then 6 plus 2 is 8. 4 plus 3 is 7. 2 plus 2 is 4. So totally we have the total number of students in the school is 4,789. This is the way to add in a word problems. Okay children, so now we have a second problem. In a big farmhouse there are 2,793 mangoes trees and 3,215 apple trees and 2,154 banana trees. Find the total number of trees in the farmhouse. So in a big farmhouse there are so many, 3 types of trees are there. Okay, so totally how many numbers of trees are there in the farm, we have to go to find. So according the, you can see the previous problems, what we have, what we done there. So one by one we have to write the given data. So first, number of mango trees, how many there? 2,793. And next write down number of apple trees, 3,250. And then last one we have number of banana trees, 2,154 children. Now total number of trees we have to find now. So just add 3 plus 5, what? 8. 8 plus 4, 12. Okay, 12 we have to, 12 there. Okay, 2 you have to write down and 1 you have to write as carry over to next. Okay, and 1 you have to take a carry, that you should include there to add. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 1, okay, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. Now we have a 16 there. So 6 you have to write down and 1 you have to write as a carry. Very easy. Then carry 1. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So 1 you have to write down and so left hand side 1 you have to take a carry. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Now finally we have a 8. There is no carry. So how many number of trees are there in the farm? Yes, total number of trees 8,162. It's very easy. If they are given in a word problems, it will be very easy to calculate children. Yes or no? It's very easy. So now the another one concept and last concept of addition chapter is estimation sum. First you have to estimate the given numbers and then you have to start to add children. Okay, find the sum. We first estimate round off the numbers and then find the sum. Okay, so first question is estimate the sum of the following numbers to the nearest 10. You have to concentrate on that. Okay, so now we have 15 and then 40. So first you have to estimate 15 there. Though if you estimate the 15, what will become? It become 20 if you made round up. And then 40 become 40 only. So 20 plus 40, 60. How it comes? 15 when you go to round up. What happens there? So you can see there. 5 becomes 0. So because in 10 we have 0. 1 0 we have. So you have to 5 becomes 0 and 5 is equal to 5. Okay. So you have to add 1 to the tens place digit. Tens place digit we have a 1 and add 1 to that. 1 plus 1, 2. So 1 become 2. Understand children? See again, 5 becomes 0 and 1 become 2. So then, so 15 becomes 20. Okay, and 40 becomes 40. How it possible? So 0 becomes 0 and 4 becomes 4 only because 0 is less than 5. So if less than 5, so same as it is the number you have to bring down. Okay, so 40 becomes 40, 15 becomes 20. 20 plus 40, 60. It's very easy. Next, see the estimation of sun nearest to 100. So we have a question 550 and 240. Now place according to their places 550 and 240. 550, if you estimate nearest to 100, what it becomes? 0, 0, 0 becomes 0, 5 becomes 0, and the tens place we have a 5. So it is equal to 5. Add 1 to the hundreds place digit. 100 place digit is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 600. And if you estimate the 240, it will become 200. 600 plus 200, 800. How to comes this one? So 550 write down there. How it becomes 600? So first you have to, if you go to nearest to 100 estimating, so first 2 digits become 0. 0 becomes 0 and 5 becomes 0. Ones place and tens place become zeros, and you have to observe the tens place digit. It is more than 5, less than 5, or equal to 5. It is equal to 5. So you have to add 1 to the hundreds place digit. 5 plus 1, 6. This is the way to estimate. And then 240 we have. 240 become 200. How? Ones place digit is 0, tens place digit 0, and tens place we have a 4. 4 is less than 5. If less than 5 is there, so same digit you have to copy. So 2 become 2 only. Here 5 is equal to 5, so that's why you have to add 1 in 550. But here we have a 4, it is less than 5, so 2 become 2 only. Understood, children? Now we are going to estimate nearest to thousands. So first, according to that, I already told you, just make it, arrange them, and 7,230 becomes 7,000, and 5,672 become 6,000. So now we have 7,000 plus 6,000 is 13,000. How it becomes? So 7,230. If in thousands place, how many zeros there? 3 zeros. So you have to make ones place 0, tens place 0, hundreds place 0. See there, ones place becomes 0, tens place becomes 0, hundreds place becomes 0. Now you are going to estimate the hundreds place digit. 100 place you are going to estimate that. You have to check the next digit. That is so thousands place you are going to estimate. So you have to check hundreds place digit is more than 5 or less than 5. 2 we have there. 2 is less than 5. So as it is same, 7 is there, 7 only will come. Okay. And then 5,672. The ones place becomes 0, tens place becomes 0, hundreds place becomes 0, and the thousands place we are going to round up there. So thousands place nearest place is hundreds place. Hundreds place we have a 6. 6 is more than 5. So more than 5 is there. We have to add 1 to the thousands place. Thousands place we have 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 becomes 6. This is the way to estimate first, and then put it to the problem as to add, and then you can add it, children. Understood, children, how it is? So see, we have our answer 13,000. Okay, children. Now in these sessions we have learnt about oral addition and some word problems and how to estimate given numbers into nearest to 10, hundreds and thousands. Okay, children, so go through the video, understand well. Okay, so I hope all of you understood about the addition. Thank you.